Hi, I get asked the question a lot, how do I manage my biggest customers? I feel overwhelmed. What are some of the things that I should be doing on a daily basis to maximize sales? How are you? I'm Josh Roberts with RSG Sales, and we are account management experts with Wayfair and other home decor accounts like Overstock, Home Depot, and Walmart.com as an example. And we help our clients specifically in the way of account management and also coaching with these type of customers. So let's focus on Wayfair as it relates to this discussion for home decor suppliers. Wayfair is going to be your biggest account if you're a home decor supplier, and they dominate the industry, and they're close to a $10 billion customer. So when I think about managing key accounts or national accounts, I think one of the key things that drives the business is discipline and consistency. So doing the same things and how you manage this business, and obviously making tweaks and adjustments based to how your company works and the nuances of each customer. But in the way of Wayfair, I think there's really 5 key things that you can do to get the most from this business. And number 1 would be inventory management. So simply put, the product's got to be there in order to sell it. Also, too, I'm always very, very focused on the best sellers that drive 80% of the business and making sure that those items are in stock every day. I want to say not 24/7, 25/8. 25 hours, 8 days a week. You got to make sure that that business is in stock. Number 2 is processing orders. You have to process and ship orders to get paid, so that's very important. The faster we can deliver that product to the customer in good shape, that's going to lead to better reviews and a happier experience. And the more reviews, positive, good reviews we get on the product, the better the sales are going to be. And also in Wayfair's algorithm, the algorithm puts emphasis and priority on lead time. So products that ship in 24 hours and have good customer experience, they're going to rank higher than those that might ship 3, 4, and 5 days later. So getting orders processed quickly, you want to get paid, and also it helps your overall business performance and the overall customer experience. Point number 3 is customer interaction and communication. Some customers do it via email, but Wayfair uses the Partner Home ticket system. These questions or tickets, they come from the merchandising teams, questions about a product size, or maybe there's an issue with the image. It could come from operations, maybe there's an issue with the inventory upload, and also a lot of them, probably the majority, will come from customer service, and these are the people that are interacting directly with the end customer. So they could have questions about perhaps a customer got the wrong item. Maybe they got the item that requires assembly and they didn't get instructions, or maybe they just simply want to know where the order is. It said it shipped on this day and would deliver by this day. So it's very important to have a policy that by 5 o'clock every day, or whenever your business day ends, that you're going to clear out all tickets. It's good business, and you want to exceed expectations when you're managing your biggest customers. Number 4, within the Wayfair Partner Home system, they now manage promotional activity through the Accelerant Hub. So just simply put, just check this out every day. Make sure that everything is where it is. You've approved all the events because you don't want to miss any opportunities. And you especially want to make sure that you don't miss a sales opportunity with something like Way Day, or one of the major upcoming holidays, like perhaps Labor Day or the fourth quarter. That could mean thousands and thousands of dollars of missed sales and profits for you. So just check it every day, is simply put. And then lastly, I would say the thing that our business and our clients that we drive that's of most importance is the best sellers. So specifically the items that do 80% of the business. In most cases, this is 20 to 30% of your SKU count. So yes, we look at those sales every single day. We look at the trends. We make sure that we're not seeing any nuances or variance. And if we do, when you're looking at them every day and you're present in the business every day, you can quickly adjust some things. In fact, we have a client who on a given item was selling on average 30 units a day of this particular item. And as we're going through the business and doing our checklist, our 5, 6 things that we do every day, We noticed this for a couple days straight, so we went and looked at the item, and for some reason, Wayfair system made the item inactive, so that's why it wasn't generating sales. So we were able to quickly go in, look at the item as if it's interfacing with the end consumer. Then we dug a little bit deeper, went into some of the tools within Partner Home and saw that it was listed as inactive. We issued an emergency ticket. Like I said, the ticket system is communication and solving problems, and it was quickly resolved. So had we not been doing that process on an everyday basis, that could have been a big miss in terms of sales and profits. So just to recap, national account management, key account management, in this case Wayfair. How do you stay on top of the business? You have a disciplined process, and some of the 5 core things that we really encourage you to focus on would be your inventory management, order processing, ticketing communication, monitoring promotional activity in the Accelerant Hub, and then staying on top of your best sellers and the trends therein on an everyday basis. So thank you very much. Appreciate you taking the time to watch this, and for further discussion, please feel free to reach out to me through our website, www.rsgsales.com. Thank you very much.